Hi, it's Lynette here and I am filming my Project Polish, my nail panning project, which I've had on the go for a couple of years. I wanted to show you what I've used this month, what I've finished, and the nail polish that I actually lost. I think I used it once and I got it mixed up. It was in my empties, so I knew I'd brought a kind of natural colour out, but I didn't use it. So that explains why there was no use on that one, but it might also explain why I have used up so much. I used up some of this Primark Lilac. Sometimes I think there's no point in putting a line in, but that was really nice, quite quick drying as well. Needs a couple of coats. The Back to Life, I've not put a line on it, but you can see I've used a fair wee bit of that. Sometimes when my nail polish, when I take my polish off, I use that. What else have we got here? The OPI, this is the Susie San one, isn't it? So I used a wee bit of that. I also used a couple of coats of the Nailberry. What colour is this? I think this might be the strawberry one because I've got a couple of those. I also used some of the Leighton Denny. I used some of this, the nail polish, Nails Inc Casual Dress Up. I use that as a base coat when I'm putting on colours like this or reds or something strong. I did use my new CND Vinyl Ups Tropics nail polish, but actually it was kind of a different colour to what I remembered it being, and it probably is quite, you know, quite similar to that one. And it's probably more a shade that I would wear in the summer, to be honest with you. You know me, I wear shades all the time. And it's supposed to be a 7-day polish and it's not the cheapest. And it did not last. So the only reason I'm buying the Vinyl Luxe is because they do the same colours that they do in the CND Shellac or Shellac or whatever you call it. You know, the gel nails. They do all the same colours, and I do like it. And you have to use a top coat to give it a good shine. So that's probably the only reason I would be buying these, is because I love the CND Shellac colours. But I am a picker, so when I get the gel nails done, I really pick and damage my nails. So that's why I thought I would go for these. But to be honest with you, if I was going to recommend a nail polish, I wouldn't recommend that to you at all. It's not any better than Barry M or, you know, it's the Nailberry, which dries really, really quickly. So save your pennies. I'm only buying them because I like the colour range, which makes no sense, and I don't mind painting my nails every couple of days. I am actually nail polish free because I'm going to see the doctor, because I've got I had a few months back, I had my feet were killing me. I felt like I was walking on glass, and then I developed these little spots on the underside of my toes. And then about 2-3 weeks ago I started to get the same, but then they started to appear on my hands and on my knees. Now I do get something called granuloma annulare, but it's probably pronouncing it incorrectly. If you're a nurse or a doctor or whatever, you're probably going to be screaming saying that's wrong. And I normally get it on my elbows and sometimes on my knees, but this broke out all over my toes, all over my, really bad all over my knees and on my hands, which made it really uncomfortable when I was trying to open anything or when I was typing. I did have some steroid cream left, which I used. However, my big toe is now kind of swollen and purple. So I thought I'd better go and see the GP. I'm terrible. I'd be telling you lot to go and see the GP ASAP. But I'm just at the point where I'm like, not sure that purple looking toe is quite right. And the rest I've kind of cleared up with the steroid cream, which was good because they were popping up all over the place. And not only were they sore, they were really kind of itchy, and it was just horrible. And you know, you're kind of worried that people notice them. I mean, they were on my hands and my thumbs. You can see a slight little mark here, but the steroid cream has done the job, I have to say. And it's something that goes away on its own. It's just because my toe is purple and swollen, I thought I'd better get it checked. Anyway, what have I finished? I have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 polishes. 5. I didn't expect to finish 5, but that is probably because I couldn't find this one. So there wasn't too much to actually use up in this OPI chills or multiply in. And you can probably see through it. I mean, it shows you that there's a little bit here, but towards the second coat I was really struggling to get the polish on the brush. I finished this, I think it was a nail hardener, Nail HQ, all in one. As you can see, there's a tiny drop there, but you can't get that on the brush. Now, I did not think I was going to finish these. Barry M Inner Flash quick dry nail paint. I would recommend these. These are brilliant. They're really glossy and you don't need a top coat. They really do have a lovely shine, and they really do dry quickly. That's probably why I've used up so much. And I also finished the other Barry M Inner Flash and the Barry M liquid, what is it called? Liquid Chrome. These are fab. I actually had that on my toenails, but I've taken all my nail polish off because I'm going to the doctor's. So, going forward into November, I am going to, so I did ask on the last video any colours I should get, and I think Monique and Sharon both said green, or Monique said green and Sharon said lilac. I thought two of them mentioned green and Sharon might have mentioned lilac. So I already have this kind of Primark lilac. So I thought if I finish this one up this month, then I will buy myself the green nail polish. So that's the plan. I'm going to keep the Casual Dress Up as a base coat, and I'm going to keep the Back to Life just to put on my nails a couple of times a week. And the Nailberry, I think I'll definitely get those finished. I'm going to put the Tropics, the CND one and the Leighton Denny one away. Okay, and I'm going to have a wee rummage. So as always, I'll start with the top drawer, and I know a lot of people like to see what is in the top drawer, if I can get it out. Can I get this drawer out? Yes, so this is my kind of pinks and reds. So that's what's in there. So I do have a couple of reds. So I have the OPI red, and I have the Revlon Ultra HD Snap. So the OPI one has been kicking around for ages, so I'm going to pop that in. What else am I going to pop in? And I'm going to pop in the Nailberry, this kind of purpley colour as well. So that's 2 Nailberries, a pink, a kind of purpley and a red. And for good measure, I'm going to pop in the Love Me Tender. That's on the list of polishes I would definitely repurchase. And the Barry M ones are fab as well. So this is more my neutrals drawer. If I can, I'm just going to show you, I can't get them, cannot get them out. So I'm going to show you what is in my neutrals drawer. So I have my Moods, which I didn't use last month. I have the OPI Gel Break colour, which I think would be a good top coat. I have the Nails Ink, it's Gel Effect, and it comes with a top coat as well. Porchester Square. I'm going to actually put those out because I'm going into work next week to do some interviews. The Nail Kind Vegan, the Nailberry, the Chrome and the Nude Girls. So these ones and these ones. So. I'll put in the Nude Girl because I like that, and maybe the Barry M Chrome because I do like that on my toes. Right. I got the bottom drawer out. So the bottom drawer is a really exciting drawer for me. It's the ones that are kind of sparkly or feel quite festive. I got this one from Bryony a couple of years ago. It's a Next Anaconda, and I've never found it again. So I really use that quite sparingly. I might bring it out for December. The Primark one, what's it called? Tinseltown. So it is really kind of festive-y looking. The Nails Ink Chelsea Embankment, which makes a lovely kind of wee glittery top. Might keep that for next month. The Avon Crystal Effect, again, that's lovely over the top or you can build up layers with a base coat. The Nails Ink 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, I'll leave that for next month. And this one, the Nailberry one, is really purpley. So I'll bring that out. So you can see from my collection now, actually, I'm missing blues. There's no blues. So I need to go through it and kind of have a look and see what do I need to actually purchase. So I've picked out loads this month because last month I just felt like, I'm going to move these things up here, I just felt like I didn't have enough colours to choose from. So these two, that's my nail kind of treatment, and that's the one I use as a base coat. I'm going to pop the lilac one away. I'm going to keep the OPI green, so I quite like a lighter green, but not as light as this one. Maybe a kind of sagey colour, I think. The Primark, that's lovely, I love the colour of that. The Nailberry, because I want to finish that. I'm going to keep this one in because I forgot to use it. The Barry M Chrome one, these are fab. I've got loads in this one though, but I definitely would repurchase something like that. I got that from Julie Juella. It's really nice. The Love Me, what's it called? It's not Love Me Tender. Colour your something healthy. Colour your nails healthy. Did it tell me on the bottom? Peace. Very dark for Peace. It's kind of dark purple. I'm going to pop these two away. I'll definitely have a new colour, probably green, for the next video. The Nailberry, I mean, I won't get any of that finished up, but just nice. The Nailberry Love Me Tender. So that's 3 Nailberries. The Nails Ink Sending Nudes, I love this colour. It's really neutral but a nice wee colour to it. And the Porchester Square, which I got, I think I got that, to pick this up in Superdrug. Because somebody was at a meeting and was wearing it and I really liked it. And the OPI red one. So, as you can see, there's quite a lot of polish for next month, so I'm going to be happy. So let me know what you think. My collection is now lacking in a lot of colours, and I'll probably bring in some kind of spring colours, you know, once we get through the winter. I think I've got enough dark colours to last me though, but definitely kind of springy colours might be nice going forward. But anyway, thank you for watching. I always love doing this video because I always love sitting down and picking my polishes and having a wee go. So I know there's one that I'll finish, possibly 2, but I don't think there'd be any more because they're too full. So thank you for watching. Hope I didn't rattle through that too quick, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.